They going in nice and easy? Good. KMAX, boys. You want to run down there and check it out? This is a KMAX helicopter. It's a really unique helicopter design with a twin rotor egg beater style design. Let me show you around a little bit what we learned. We got the boys here helping us out on the camera. Say hi, boys. So KMAX is a very heavy lift helicopter. It can lift more than it weighs, 6,000 pound capacity. There's the red rotating beacons on, but they're fueling the thing. We're good to go. So with the twin rotors, it's got a single engine and a dual transmission that clocks these two rotor blades in about the position that you see them here. The rotor blades tend to fly over each other as opposed to anything else. So one blade, see how they're angled? One blade flies over the top of another blade. But in order to control these blades, to control the helicopter, it's a tab-flown helicopter like an MD-80. So here's a go-around. So these tabs are manually controlled by the pilot. There is no hydraulic system on board this KMAX helicopter. So it's a heavy helicopter to manually fly. It's heavy on the flight controls. But because the two rotors rotate opposite of each other, you see where the leading edge of this blade's going that way and the leading edge of that blade is going that way. They counteract each other so that there's no torque on the helicopter, so you do not have a tail rotor. So the pilot says it's a rather heavy helicopter to handle, hard work, and it's kind of a less distinctive control feel than a conventional helicopter because of the tab-flown nature of it without hydraulics. Now over here, he's a long line lifting helicopter heading to Oregon to do some logging. So he's gonna be using this, but he's got this, you gotta be able to fly sideways all day long in these things. So he's got this torso rest right here, so he can lean out of this bubble window, look down through this hole, and look down at the operation that he's doing down there with the logging while flying the helicopter. A lot of skill and a lot of manual flying. The KMAX helicopter. Hey, look at that. He's got the critical engine instruments located right down there where he's looking while he's working. Just a fascinating design. Looks like this one's out of Canada. So what do you think, boys? Pretty cool, eh? KMAX helicopter. Heavy lift. They use them in firefighting as well. Power lines, firefighting, and logging. Yep. Start them up, boys. Let's go. Get rid of that snow.